Question is define acceleration. State a relationship connecting U, V, A, and T for uniformly accelerated motion. Give an example of a motion in which acceleration is uniform. So first of all, we are going to define the acceleration, which is a rate at which an object's velocity changes with respect to time. We know that acceleration is nothing but the rate of change of velocity, and it is a vector quantity because it has both magnitude and direction. The formula of acceleration is change in velocity over time. Change in velocity is v minus u. V is final velocity, u is initial velocity, and t is time. So this is the mathematical expression for acceleration. And a is equals to v minus u upon t. This t will come here. We get at is equals to v minus u, and minus u will goes here, and the equation will become v is equals to u plus at. So this is also a kind of relationship which we have, which we get from modification of it. So the example is free fall. Why we have taken the example of free fall? Because it has asked in the question that we have to give an example of a motion in which acceleration is uniform. So free fall is an example of motion in which acceleration is uniform. An object in free fall near the Earth's surface experiences uniform acceleration due to gravity. We know that whenever the object is falling from some height, so its acceleration remains constant, because that acceleration will basically experiences because of Earth's gravity, and its value is fixed, that is 9.8 meter per second square. This acceleration is constant and always directed downwards, because the acceleration due to gravity is the acceleration because of gravity, and gravity always acts in a downward direction. That's why this acceleration is always acts in downward direction.